Hello, it's Friday, April 10th, and we've made it through a whole week of online learning. Today, we're going to be reviewing adding multi-digit numbers and begin subtracting multi-digit numbers. Page 2 is the links to the things that we're doing today. I want to highlight that we're doing 4th grade skill B1 today. And thank you to everyone who's been making videos in our Flipgrid. It's so awesome to see you guys. Today's Flipgrid is show and tell, so I can't wait to see what you're doing. Directions. Make an estimate, then add the numbers using either a place value chart or standard algorithm. I am going to model both. So once you have your estimate and your answer, again, you're going to click here and delete the question mark and type your answer. Let's begin. We are going to make an estimate. Then I'm going to use a place value chart, and then I'm going to use standard algorithm. Make sure you're writing this on your paper. Pause the video as you need. 24,506 minus 17,496. We have to decide what these numbers are closest to. So we would say, does 24,506 round down to 24,000 or up to 25,000? Well, whenever we have 500 or more, we always have to round up. So we're going to round up to 25,000. 17,496 will either round down to 17,000 or up to 18,000. And if this part is tricky for you, we're going to work on rounding next week. So do not worry, we will continue to work hard at this. So if it's in the 400s, we know that it has to round down because it's less than 500. So that is our estimate. Now let's add it up. We have 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 7 is, I like to start with 7 and then count up by 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. So our answer should be about 42,000. Next, we're going to make a place value chart. And because our answer is 42,000, we are about 42,000, we need the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Go ahead and draw your place value chart. So I like to write my original problem so that I make sure that I'm not doing my estimate. Because sometimes I see people doing their estimate, but you need to do the original problem in the place value chart. So we have 24,506 plus 17,496. And then we will put those together. All right, so I'm going to do my first number in blue, 24,000. So I have 2 10,000s, 4,000s, 500s, and just like we practiced, I'm putting them in rows of 5, 0 10s, and 6 1s. Then I have 17,000, which has 1 10,000, 7,000s, 400s, 9 10s, and 6 1s. When we start adding, we add beginning in the smallest place, which is the ones place. 6 plus 6 is 12. We can't have 12 in the ones place, so we have to take 10 of our ones and regroup them into 1 10. So now we have 2 in the ones place and 1 more added to the tens place. Then I have 9 plus 1 more. I can't put a 10 down here. That's not how we do it. So I have to regroup. And now I have 0 tens, but I have 1 more 100. So I'm going to put a 1 above my 5. Because there's a 1 added to the hundreds place. Then I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10, so I have to regroup again. And 10 hundreds makes 1,000. And here I can say 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 4 is 10. So I put a 0 in the hundreds and a 1 in the thousands for this one that we added to the thousands. Then I have 4 plus 7. Well, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then this one makes 12. So I have to regroup 10, and 10 thousands makes 1 10,000. So now I have 1 2 thousands and 1 more 10,000. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 10,000s. My answer is 42,002. Wow, that is incredibly close to 42,000. Let's do it in standard algorithm. We have 24,506 plus 17,496. I'm going to add those together. In the ones place, we start 6 plus 6 is 12. Can't put 12 in the ones place. We put a 2 in the ones place and regroup a 10. Then we say 1 plus 9 is 10. Can't put a 10 in the tens place, so we put a 0 in the tens place, and 10 tens make 100. We add 100 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 5 plus 4 is 10. Can't have a 10 in the hundreds place. We put a 0 and make 10 hundreds 1,000. There's 1,000 in the thousands. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 7 is 12. We can't have 12, so we can keep 2 and regroup 10 thousands into 1 10,000. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. We got the same answer. Awesome. So for my estimate, I'm going to write that it was about 42,000, and my answer was 42,002. Great job, guys. Remember, if you need any help on the following questions, you can get a hold of me during office hours, or you can just text me. There are a few more problems. Make sure you're paying attention, though, because not all of them are subtraction. There might be some that are addition. And I wrote this on every slide. Make sure you are using your paper to solve this question. When we do multi-digit anything, we need to use our paper. If it's just facts, like 1 digit plus 1 digit, or 1 digit times 1 digit, then we can use our memory. But when it's multi-digit, we need to use paper. Today's skill is B1, which is add 2 numbers up to 5 digits. If you're struggling with IXL, please contact me. I really want to help you. Here there is a new science lesson linked. You can play Freckle, Prodigy, or Science and Social Studies are also available on IXL. As always, here is our class code, TUXHOY. And if your parents want an account for your siblings, I can also make one for your siblings age kindergarten to 8th grade. And then lastly, we have the Prodigy code. All right, please make sure you type that in where it says teacher code so that I can see how you're doing in Prodigy. And I hope you love it. It's super fun. All right, I miss you. It's been a great first week of remote learning, although I wish we were in class, but we're going to make do with this, all right? Happy learning.